I'm gonna show you how to configure MT4 or MT5 to the BabyPips. So to get started, I just want to clarify something that often confuses new traders, the difference between BabyPips and MT4 or MT5. BabyPips is an educational platform. It's one of the best places to learn about Forex trading, strategies, technical analysis, and risk management. But it's not a broker and not a trading platform. So you can't connect your MT4 or MT5 account directly on BabyPips. Instead, here's how it works. You use BabyPips to learn, and then you practice or trade using MT4 or MT5 through a Forex broker. So the process goes like this. First, you open a demo or live account with a broker that supports MT4 or MT5, like IC Markets, Oanda, or XNES. Then you download MT4 or MT5, log in with the credentials your broker gives you, and you're good to go. Meanwhile, you can keep coming back to BabyPips to sharpen your skills, test strategies, and stay on top of the markets. Think of BabyPips as your school and MT4, MT5 as your trading platform. So that's it. Education on one side, trading on the other. Hope that clears up so you can configure or connect your MT4, MT5 to BabyPips.